All right, welcome to page 60. Here, our number is chosen at random from 1 to 10. So here, our numbers have changed slightly. When writing our total, we're now going to be writing 10 total options in the bottom number. Let's go ahead and set up our answer here. And now question number 1 is asking us to find the probability of selecting a multiple of 2. I'm going to show you another cheat sheet. Multiples of 2 are down this column. Multiples of 2. So the first one is 2. We'll say multiples of 2. First one is 2. 4, 6, 8, and 10. Let's go ahead and highlight these numbers. Let's now count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have an answer of 5/10. For question number 2, find the probability of selecting multiple of 3. All right, let's find out what those multiples are. Twelve is too big for our set. Remember, our set is only up to 10, so we can cut it off here. Let's highlight our desired numbers. Now let's set up our equation. All right, let's count up our desired numbers. And we have 3/10. Okay, for number 3, it says find the probability of selecting neither a multiple of 2 nor a multiple of 3. Meaning any multiple of 2 or multiple of 3, we're going to cross it off because we do not want to choose them. Let's start by crossing off all of these highlighted numbers. Next, we will cross off all of these highlighted numbers because we do not want to choose any of these multiples of 3. And what we are left with are these numbers here. All right, let's write our equation. Let's count up our desired. And we have 3/10 for our answer. All right, question number 4. Find the probability of selecting the factors of 4 and factors of 6. So what it's asking, factors are numbers that divide exactly into a number. We need numbers that are factors of both 4 and factors of 6. All right, let's list the factors of 4. So first we have to ask ourselves, can 4 be divided by 1? Since there's no decimal, 1 can be added to our list. 4 divided by 2, no decimal, we can add 2 to our list. 4 divided by 3, decimal, no good. 4 divided by 4, no decimal, we will add it. Let's write out the factors of 6. Take a moment to pause this video and see if you can write out the factors of 6 and see if we get the same answers. Okay, now that we have finished up until this point, what this question is actually asking us is to find a number that they both have in common. We have one option there and two options there. So when we write out our equation, we have a 2 out of 10 probability. All right, question number 5. Find the probability of selecting an odd number. Let's highlight all of the odd numbers. Now let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have a total of 5 over 10. All right, good job. We have now finished page 60. I'll see you over on page 61.